Let us see practical number 4 of operating system, working with operating system, services and processes. The practical significance of this practical is the purpose of computer system is to allow the users to execute programs. So the operating system provides an environment where the user can conveniently run programs. The user does not have to worry about a memory allocation or multitasking or anything. These things are taken care by the operating system. So in this practical, we have to perform the commands of Linux under the operating system services and some processes. So here are some relevant program outcomes that is related to the practical number 4, basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments, practice, engineering tools, individual and teamwork as usual in the previous practicals, and lastly the communication. Competency and practical skills required for this practical to manage the operations of operating system. The practical is expected to develop the following skills. After this practical, you can able to work with services like editor, GUI, etc. Also, you are able to work with processes like start the process, stop the process. Actually, these are the services provided by the operating system. Relevant course outcome of this practical is to install the operating system and configure this operating system. That is very first practical of operating system. And practical outcome is use operating system services and run commands to start, stop and restart the specified service in Linux. Here are some relevant affective domain related outcomes are follow precautionary measures, follow naming conventions, follow ethical practices. These are available in all practicals of all subjects. For this practical, we required some minimal background, theoretical background, like the services of operating system that is related with the user and program as well. It also provides application programs that can be run within an operating system, an environment to execute it freely. You have to provide some terminal to execute these commands, Linux commands. It provides users the service run various programs in a convenient manner. Sometimes we need to use the VI editor, that is visual editor. It is a full screen editor and has two mode of operation. We already actually we know that any editor have some modes, and in upcoming practicals we'll see this VI editor also, command mode and insert mode. Editors is nothing but where we are going to actually edit the files. We can create the file by using the cat command, but we cannot edit that file. For that purpose we require a specific editor, that is a VI editor, like that. Graphical user interface that also provides along with the CLI. We'll see this GUI and CLI in the practical. As per the requirement, you can decide when you should use Linux command line interface and when you should use graphical user interface. So both environment are there. We have to decide when to use CLI and when to use GUI. Actually, there is no role of editor in this practical because this is related with the services and the process. So here we are using CentOS and also we can use Ubuntu. So for performing this practical, we all of you need to install the CentOS or Ubuntu in your system. How will you enter? How will you uh, install? I will show you some demo over this, and also I provide some related files. You can download that files and install in your laptop. So that installation doesn't affect your currently running operating system. Suppose for example you have Windows 10 in your operating system, in your computer system, so it doesn't affect that Windows 10. A virtual terminal we are going to use here for this practical. So there are some commands we can use for CentOS, like chkconfig, systemctl command. This command may not be run in CentOS, so we have to use chkconfig to start the services and to stop the services. In practical session, after this we will see that resources required, there may be nil. Actually, we don't require any more resources other than Linux operating system and your laptop. So it is a basic, these are the requirement. It is a minimum requirement. Operating system is Linux, we need that. Almost we have Linux or Ubuntu or any other open source operating system, that means CentOS. Resources use additional may not be, you can put it blank, because this is sufficient for practical. Now here you have to use this number 10. You can write this number 10 on your blank paper. I will assign you a program statement and then you can write down that. For that purpose I will give you a demo, because if it is not possible for you to install the CentOS in your laptop, at that time you can use this one. I again remind you that it doesn't affect your Windows 10 operating system. If it is available, you can delete anytime that Linux, that CentOS or Ubuntu from your system, because that is a virtual. So for that purpose I will provide a practical session just after this one. Related questions are there. You can write down the page, on page, blank page, this practical related questions 1 2 3. But before that you must solve this problem also, that is number 10. 11 we have skipped that. Practical related questions 1 to 3 and some exercises. So that is related to your theory. So you can write down these theory questions on the blank paper, and we will see the practical session after this.